Tonight they can't stop this, we got this. Everybody get up and go rock this. Everybody get up and go rock this. Everybody get up, tonight we gon' drop it, can't stop it. All across the globe we gon' rock it. All across the globe we gon' rock it. All across the globe, welcome back to life. It's the return of the Incredible Hulk.
I've really enjoyed being at Rock of Ages. This is my first time to come, and I like particularly that it's an event that's put on by all volunteers. So everybody comes together every year and they make it happen. Nobody's getting a salary. Everybody's volunteering their time. And when you see an event like this that's totally put on by volunteers, it's quite inspiring to be a part of.
We're at Rock of Ages because we were invited to come play, and we were so excited about it. It's like a rock deal, so we loved any chance to bring our pop country to a rock stage and to a different group of people out in California. Who doesn't want to be in California? I mean, it's crazy awesome.
Why am I at Rock of Ages? That's a question I asked myself when I pulled up here today. No, I'm just kidding. I love Rock of Ages. I mean, obviously you're in one of the most beautiful parts of the world, Calistoga, California. And the people, you know, Ray and everybody that puts the gig on are just sweet people, and their hearts are so passionate about making a difference in the world, and that's what I love about it. So it's just to play a little part, you know, so that's why I'm here, and I love it.
You up in that club, put your bottle above while you're twerking it up, because those men looking at you, they ain't looking for love. So let me tell you what I've seen through my own eyes. A small portion of society we idolize, put them on a pedestal and we vitalize. Buy all the t-shirts and believe the lies, and then hide all the proof of the inconvenient truth that the future still belongs to the youth. Now step away from the mic and accept the boom. Tonight they can't stop this, we got this.